Are you ready to play roll, build, and add? Well, let's get started. So the first thing that I need to do is roll my dice 3 times, and then I'm going to use those numbers to fill in these blank spaces in my add end. So I have rolled a 6, a 5, and a 4, and I can use those numbers in any one of these spaces in any order. So I've decided that I'm going to put my 4 in the tens place of the first add end, and then I'll put my 5 here in the ones place of the first add end. And then I'll use my 6 as 6 ones in the second add end. So my addition problem that I need to solve is 45 plus 26. The next thing that I'll do is to use my base 10 blocks to build each of the add ends. So my first add end is 45. I'll drag out 4 of the tens. Okay, there's 4 tens there. And then my ones I'm going to put into the 10 frame because that makes it just a little bit easier for me to count them when I need to do that in just a minute. So there I have 5 ones. And I know that that's 5 because anytime I fill one row on the 10 frame, I know that it's 5. So next I'm going to build 26. So I will drag out 2 tens and I will put 6 ones in my bottom 10 frame. 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is 6. So now I have built the problem 45 plus 26. And it's time for me to add up all of those materials so I know what my sum is. Well, my tens are pretty easy to count. I know that I can count them by 10. So I can do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So that's 60 right there. Now, I know that this is 5 because that's how 10 frames work. So I had 60. That's 65, 70, 71. So 45 plus 26 is 71. So I will put a 7 in my tens place and a 1 in my ones place to show that my sum is 71. That's all there is to it. You can go right on to the next slide, and that's where you'll be able to build your first addition problem and solve it. Have fun!